everyone, I'm Luyando. Today I'm going to teach you how to single crochet and a few basics that should help you with any project. I'm making a scrub cloth using Yarn Bee Scrubology Scrub It yarn in aqua. It's perfect for washing dishes and you can wash it in the washing machine. On the back of the label, there is information about the yarn and the recommended hook size, which is 6 millimeters for me. The first thing you need to do to start a crochet project is create a slip knot. This is what my mom taught me when I was really young, and I always do it this way. I hold the yarn 4 to 6 inches from the end in my left hand, wrap the yarn around my index finger, and then pinch the tail end with my ring and pinky finger while the other end goes on my thumb. Hold the hook like a pencil and insert it where the yarn overlaps. Yarn over and pull the long end through. Then push the yarn off my finger. Tug on the yarn to make sure the loop on the hook isn't loose, but not too tight either because you want to be able to slide through. Now we are ready to start making the foundation chain. How you hold your yarn is not important. How you feed your yarn in is not really important either. But it helps to pinch the project right under the hook to help you maintain tension and control. To create a chain, take the yarn over the hook from back to front and pull through the loop. Repeat until you have as many chains or stitches as you need for the foundation. The front of your chain will have a V shape and the back has bumps which will be used to create the next row. The last chain will be used to create height, so skip that first bump, then insert the hook into the second bump. I'm going to work in the bumps to go back across. So yarn over, pull through, there are 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through, now there is 1. This is a single crochet. Let's do it again. Insert the hook in the bump, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and continue. The next row and the remainder of the rows are going to be a lot easier. We're going to chain 1 and turn the project around, place the hook into the nearest single crochet stitch, and go all the way through to the other side. Follow the gaps, they will be your guide. Yarn over, pull through, there are 2 loops, yarn over, pull all the way through, and continue. This is what the single crochet stitch looks like after several rows. It's gorgeous, but this yarn is difficult to work with. I will finish by pulling through and cutting the yarn a few inches away. Now it's time to weave in the ends to secure it so it doesn't get unraveled. Thread a large needle or use a much smaller hook to do this. I'm just weaving through the project without altering its look, and you can weave going straight back, coming down, going in a square, going in a circle, depending on what kind of project you have going on, so that you know for a fact that everything is secure and nothing is going to get unraveled. And this is the final scrub cloth. I'll be using this to wash pots and pans. I love it. So that's all there is for single crochet. Thanks so much for watching. Take care of yourselves. I will be in the community tab and I look forward to talking to you in my next video. Happy crocheting and bye.